Let me just cut right in here in the beginning of this real quick and let you know that this is going to be a two-part video. It ended up being a little bit longer than I expected, so I'm going to turn this into a two-part video. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Beautiful life, beautiful life, beautiful life, beautiful life, beautiful life. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Squared Photography, bring you back another video today. Now I'm here with
Melanie.
She's being a goofball right now. We out here, as you can see right behind us, we got this beautiful cityscape of Cincinnati again. Today, I'm actually just gonna be a long video. I'm gonna show you how I just work, show you a little behind the scenes, and I'm actually gonna take you into the computer and then show you how I edit, and just kind of go through my process after doing a shoot like this and just show you my whole entire process. So this is what we're gonna kind of get into. And of course, I am now shooting with the Nikon Z7. I did trade it in my not my Z, but my D850. I traded in to get the Z7, so this is now my primary camera. But let's just go ahead and get into it because we are cold out here, right? You want to say, my fault, you want to say anything else?
Follow me on Instagram, _ oh look it's Nelly _
Yes, please go work with her. She's very, very talented. She'll be putting this work in out here, so please absolutely go work with her. Hit her up on their DMs. We're now looking at my computer. I'm gonna show you exactly after I finish doing a photo shoot, this is what I do. I come here, I plug in my external hard drive, as you can see right here on the side where it says SJ Photos, or that is my external hard drive. And what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead and open up Lightroom Classic. Library module ready to import. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on down to my G7. Right here, this is all the photos that we went ahead and took. Normally I will go through this, but just for this video purposes, I'm not gonna go through them right now. So I'm just gonna go in here, create a collection. I always name it the model's name, and I always put it in one of my collections. I got this sorted out the way I like it. I got portrait straight out of the camera because I do a step-by-step process, which I want to show you, but this is just the first step at what I do after I come back from a photo shoot. Go ahead and create it. And what I do is go ahead and import. As you've seen, like I said, she's an awesome model to work with. And then that's pretty much it with this step right here. I go ahead and import it into Lightroom. and then I'll go ahead and let it do its thing. I'll go ahead and let it sync up to the Lightroom so I can be able to get it on my mobile devices. The next step actually is gonna be on my iPad. Okay, now we're actually inside my iPad. The only thing I really use my computer for is to import my pictures into my external hard drive. After that, everything else I do is on my iPad. Now, as you can see, everything is nice and synced here. And this is what I got to go through now. So as you can see, we didn't take that many photos out here today, actually. So I just click on one, and I just pretty much just go through it. I go through a star system or a flag system. I go through the flag system, hit this little star right here on the side. And of course you swipe down, give your negative, swipe up. It means you want to check it. So of course, all the ones I want, I'm just going to put a negative flag on just like this. I'm going to go through it real quick because I know these first few are just nothing. What I do is hit the auto edit, and then from there, I will pick if I want to keep it or not keep it. So this is the process I'm going to go through and do through these, these 200 something photos. So I'm just going to go and show, a little quick. But I'm very, 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 very indecisive. So that's just one of my flaws, period. In life, I'm just very, very indecisive. I kind of like just going through auto and everything first because I honestly don't like, auto. If I don't like it, then hitting the start and going down, I feel like that just takes too much time. So I just rather just go straight through and just, put everything on auto already. And then I come back on through, and then you'll come back to me when I'm actually going through and picking what I want. So now I went ahead and went through the auto. So now my next step would be just go through the whole entire set and just see what I can use and what we're going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. Like I said, I'm not going to go through the whole thing. Once again, I'm just going to show you a few, and then I'm going to show you what I do with the ones I don't keep, just to give you an idea, like I said, of my process of what I do after a shoot. So I'm just going to slide right through here real quick. Like these right here, for a fact, we know I'm not keeping that, not that either. That right there, that right there. So, a few of these automatically a no. It's actually a funny face. She was actually getting really frustrated with her hair because it was so windy out there. And then afterwards, after I got the whole entire thing go, what I would do is come up here and I go to the filter, and I'm going to hit the X because the ones I know. And then what I do is I select all of these right here, select all. And then what I do is I move it to a special folder that I got that I know I'm going to delete everything, and that's going to delete everything off my catalog. So I move it there. And then once from there, what I would do is, like I said, this is a thing, but once from there, what I would do is I'll actually go here, go to share an invite. And then what I normally do is I will just copy this link, and then I'm going to go straight over and I'm going to send this to the model. Then from there, I will go ahead and tell her to choose some photos that she wants me to edit.